goat was only the farmer's white ox. It isn't so big either. He may be a little bit taller than I, but I could make myself quite as broad, just like what you saw. And so, the old one blew himself out, and blew himself out, and blew himself out. Was he as big as that? Asked he. Much bigger than that, said the young frog. Again, the old one blew himself out, and blew himself out, and blew himself out, and asked the young one if the ox was as big as that. Bigger, father, bigger. So, the old one took a deep breath, and blew, and blew, and blew, and swelled, and swelled, and swelled. But at this moment, he blew up into 100 pieces. The moral lesson: self-conceit